Welcome to From Me to English, where English becomes simple, step by step. Hello, my friend. Welcome to From Me to English. Today, we have a new story for you. The title is Lost in the City. Have you ever been lost? Maybe in a new place. Maybe in a big city. It can be scary, but it can also be exciting. In this story, you will meet two friends, Anna and Tom. They arrive in a big city. They want to visit a park, but they lose their way. Will they find the park? What will happen to them? Listen carefully. And remember, there is a free PDF file with vocabulary, transcript, and exercises in the description. Now, let's begin our story. It is a Saturday morning. The train stops at the central station. The doors open. Anna and Tom step outside. The station is very big. There are many people. Some people are running. Some people are waiting. Some people are talking on the phone. Anna looks around. She feels excited. Tom looks around. He feels a little nervous. Anna says,
"Wow, Tom, look at this station. It's so big."
Tom says,
"Yes, Anna, it's huge. There are so many people here."
They walk slowly. They carry their bags. They see shops. They see signs. They hear announcements. The next train will leave from platform number 3. Anna takes a deep breath. She says,
I love the energy of this city.
Tom smiles a little.
Yes, it is exciting. But remember, we need to find Central Park. Our friend David is waiting for us there.
Anna nods.
Yes, you're right. Let's go.
They leave the station. Outside the station, the city is alive. Cars move fast. Buses stop and go. People cross the streets. There are shops, tall buildings, street cafes. Anna looks at a tall building.
Wow, look at that skyscraper.
Tom checks his phone.
Okay, the map says we should go straight, then turn left.
They start walking. But the city is confusing. There are many streets. Some streets look the same. They walk straight, then they turn left. But soon, Tom frowns.
Wait, this doesn't look right.
Anna looks around. She sees a bakery. She sees a bookstore. But she does not see the park. Anna asks,
Are we lost?
Tom sighs.
Maybe. The GPS is not working very well. The signal is weak.
They stop walking. They look at each other. Anna laughs a little.
Well, being lost is part of the adventure, right?
Tom shakes his head.
Maybe for you, but David is waiting for us. We can't be late.
Anna says,
Okay, let's ask someone. Excuse me, ma'am?
They see an old woman carrying a shopping bag. She stops and looks at them kindly. Anna asks slowly,
Excuse me, can you help us? We are looking for Central Park.
The old woman smiles.
Yes, of course, dear. You go down this street, then you turn right at the bank. After that, you walk 2 blocks. Then you will see a big church. The park is just behind the church.
Anna listens carefully. She nods.
Go down this street, turn right at the bank, walk 2 blocks, see the church, then the park. Got it. Thank you very much.
The woman smiles again.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
She walks away. Anna looks at Tom.
See? That was easy.
Tom is not so sure. He says,
Okay, let's try.
They walk again. Anna and Tom follow the old woman's directions. They walk down the street. They turn right at the bank. They walk 2 blocks. But when they reach the church, something feels wrong. There is no park. Only more buildings, cars, and shops. Tom frowns again.
Anna, I don't see the park. Do you?
Anna shakes her head.
No, I don't. Maybe we missed a turn.
Tom sighs.
Great. Now we are even more lost.
Anna looks around. She sees a young man with headphones. He looks modern, maybe in his 20s. She smiles and says,
Let's ask him. He's young. He probably knows the city.
They walk closer.
Excuse me.
Anna says. The young man takes off his headphones.
Yes?
Anna asks.
Can you tell us where Central Park is?
The young man answers quickly. Very quickly.
Yeah, sure. You go down 5th Avenue, cross the square, past the big tower, then you'll see a small street. Go left, walk 3 minutes, then turn right, and there you are.
Anna blinks.
Sorry. Could you repeat that?
The young man repeats, but still fast.
Down 5th Avenue, cross the square, past the tower, small street, go left, walk 3 minutes, turn right, done.
Tom looks confused.
Did you understand that?
Anna shrugs.
Not really.
The young man puts his headphones back on.
Good luck!
He says, and walks away. Tom shakes his head.
See, this is not easy. One person speaks slowly, another speaks too fast. What now?
Anna laughs softly.
Well, at least we are practicing listening.
They keep walking. Now they feel a little tired. They see a small shop on the corner. The sign says, "Fresh sandwiches and drinks." Anna says,
Let's go inside. Maybe we can ask there.
They enter the shop. It smells nice. Fresh bread, coffee, warm soup. A friendly man behind the counter smiles.
Hello. How can I help you?
Anna says,
Hi. We are looking for Central Park. Can you please tell us how to get there?
The man nods.
Of course. It's very easy. Listen carefully. Go out of this shop. Turn left. Walk straight for 5 minutes. You will see a big green gate. That is the entrance to Central Park.
Tom repeats slowly.
Go out, turn left, walk straight for 5 minutes. See the green gate. Park is there. Got it.
The shopkeeper smiles.
Yes, you cannot miss it.
Anna says,
Thank you so much.
the man adds,
You're welcome. And don't forget to come back and try our sandwiches.
They all laugh. Anna and Tom leave the shop. Outside, they follow the directions. They turn left. They walk straight. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Finally, they see something green. It is a big gate. Above the gate, the sign says, Central Park. Anna claps her hands.
Yes, we found it!
Tom smiles in relief.
Finally, that shopkeeper saved us.
They walk into the park. The air is fresh. They see tall trees. They see flowers. They hear birds. And there, near the fountain, is their friend David. He waves his hand.
Anna! Tom! Over here!
They run to him. David laughs.
What took you so long?
Tom shakes his head.
Don't ask. We got lost.
Anna laughs.
But we had an adventure. And now we're here.
The 3 friends sit on a bench. They drink water. They talk about their day. David says,
Well, sometimes getting lost is the best way to discover a city.
Anna nods.
Yes, and we learned a lot of new words today, too.
Now, let's think about this story. Anna and Tom arrived at the station. They wanted to find Central Park. First, they asked an old woman. She gave slow and clear directions, but they still got lost. Then they asked a young man. He spoke too fast. They did not understand. Finally, they asked a shopkeeper. He gave clear, simple directions, and they found the park. So, what can we learn? Sometimes people speak fast. Sometimes people speak slow. It is okay if you do not understand everything. The most important thing is to keep trying. Now, here are some questions for you. What would you do if you got lost in a big city? Do you usually use a map or GPS? Have you ever asked for directions in English? Take a moment to think. Pause if you need. Thank you for listening to this story, Lost in the City. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, there is a free PDF file with transcript, vocabulary, and exercises in the description. Download it and practice more. If you like this video, please subscribe to From Me to English. Every day we have new stories, from level A1 to level B2. Listen every day. Learn every day. And you will improve your English step by step. See you in the next story.